In this video we're going to show you how to mount different size stones to the JIGS system. We'll start out by showing you the most basic stone setup. These are the ones that are designed for the system. They're 1 inch by 6 inches long, aluminium backing with dovetail ends. The dovetail ends fit into the ends of the clamp itself. Simply, we're going to use a spring mechanism to pull back, slot one end in, pull the spring back and release. You'll now see that the stone is in the system. Quick release, drops straight out. A lot of guys are moving on to a bigger system, so I'll show you how to put these ones in. You're going to do this screw at the top here, which means the guide can slide further down. Lock that down. Same principle, we'll get the stone. I'm going to put it at the bottom end. We're just going to pull back on the stone and the clamp, push down and release. You'll see that the stone is now into the system. Downsides to this is it doesn't have the dovetail ends, so therefore the stone is only relying on the pressure of the spring to hold the stone in place. To release, same principle, pull back, drop, and away you go onto your next stone.